In this video I'm going to be taking a flat 2D image and making a 3D print. In this case I'm using a Union Jack and I'm making it into coasters, but you can use this trick for any 2D image you want. I've loaded this up in an old version of Photoshop, but you should use whatever graphics program you feel comfortable with. The objective in your graphics program is to separate each individual part, colour it black and save each individual part so it can be converted into an SVG. To keep things organised, I include the intended print colour right in the file name for each piece. This is a free online tool I use to convert files, and I'll drop the link in the description below. Select the image converter from the options, then choose SVG from the drop down menu. With this program you're going to upload each of your files one by one. Then you click the start button. Once the conversion is complete you just click the download button to save your new SVG file. You repeat this until you've done all your images. Once the images are converted to SVG, open Creality Print and import the files together. When the on-screen prompt asks if you want to load these as a single object with multiple parts, select yes. Once they load, you'll notice the parts are way larger than the build plate. Don't worry about this, just click the scale, and in this case I turn off uniform scale because I want the image to be 95 by 95 by 2, and rescale the image. Next I go to the objects section and I'm colouring each part. Because I included the colour name in the file name, this is fairly straightforward. Next I need to adjust the height of each colour layer. I set the white, red and blue sections to 1mm and the yellowy gold section to 2mm. Now I use the move tool to adjust the layers and bring them to the top surface. This will give the coaster a textured pattern highlighted by the different heights. Once I'm happy with the preview, I clone the coaster to make 4 and then I slice it and send it to the printer. This takes around 2 hours to print 4. I used a Creality K2 Plus for this, but it'll also fit fine on printers with smaller build plates. I was pleased with how these turned out, and to finish them off I added a self-adhesive cork back into each one. These only cost about 8p each. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I do my best to answer every single one. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and it's always massively appreciated. Thank you for watching.